Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to link Upstox to Tradingview. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next one is, how can you create an account on Tradingview? Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for Tradingview. Once again, to the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now right here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to link Upstox to Tradingview. And there's something I would like you to know. You cannot directly connect Upstox to Tradingview right in the Tradingview application because it's not part of the brokers list. But then you can go ahead and launch your Upstox account. But make sure you have to create an account on Upstox, and once you do that, then you'll be able to connect Tradingview to Upstox from there. I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, so Upstox has two charting libraries, Tradingview and ChartIQ. You can choose any of the preferred charting options. So follow the below steps to activate the Tradingview chart in your Upstox trading terminal. So the first thing you need to do is to log in to Upstox.com. Number two, go to the Charts tab. And once you do that, in the extreme right corner of the charting section, you will see a chart icon, which is meant to switch your charts from Tradingview to ChartIQ and vice versa. Then click on it. Once you click on Tradingview, your existing charting system will be changed to Tradingview. Now that's pretty much it. That is how you can connect Tradingview to Upstox. Now you can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.